Hi friends, and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a new subscription box that I just recently signed up for. That was literally last week. I found it on Instagram and I was really intrigued by it, so I decided to go ahead and give it a try. Now, like I said, that was just last week and I got the order already, which was very surprising, very quick. So that was actually really good as well. Simple statement jewelry. The box looks like that. Very cute and pretty. Let me start by saying it is a jewelry subscription. And I was really intrigued because I saw their pieces and they're really pretty. So basically the box a month is $14 and you get 3 pieces. And then what I did is they had like a little sale going on. So what I ordered a previous month's box, which would consist of 3 pieces, and that price was cut down. It's a month-to-month subscription, renews on the 20th of each month. And they have where you can do all silver, all rose gold, or all gold. I did all tones and surprised me. They had a coupon on Instagram. If I can find that, I will put that down in the description below as well for you, where you can get your first box free. So what I did is I got my first box free, which would typically be $14 for a 3-piece set. Then I ordered a 2-piece surprise set, which is regularly $15.99. I got that for $5.97. And then I got a box from the past, which was originally $24.99, and I got it for $9.97. So you do have to pay shipping, unfortunately, and that was $5.99. Depending on what you order, like I said, they have other products from previous boxes that you could still get. So that is what I did. So that is what I'm going to share with you today. So what I'm going to go ahead and start with is the actual month's box item, and that would be for April. Comes in this little bag like this, really cute. I love to save these little bags for putting gifts in later on and all of that. And it comes with a little card like that. And it says, "What's in my box?" A 14-karat gold-plated stainless steel necklace, which retails at $24.99. A 14-karat gold-plated knot bracelet, which retails at $15.99. And then a 14-karat gold-plated threader earrings, which retails at $9.97. And the total value of this little bag or box for the month would be $50.95. So the first thing is the necklace right here. This is what it looks like. It's very pretty. These little dainty like pieces to me are just so nice. So this was the initial box for the month, and that's the one that I actually got free. So it looks like that. Very pretty. They are on Instagram. I will link them down below in the description, and I will also leave, I think they have a YouTube channel as well. I don't believe they really post a whole lot on there, but they do. So that necklace retailed for $24.99. And then I got this bracelet, and the bracelet retails for $15.99. It looks like this. Very cute. I really do like that. Very cute. I'm excited because I do love jewelry. And then the last one are these threader earrings. These were $9.97, and like I said, this little this set here altogether retails for $50.95. So I'm assuming you just put your those through your ears like that. Wow, look how pretty those are. So pretty. Very pretty. So far I'm happy. I think that's a good deal. On to the next. So that's the initial free box I got, which would be for April. And the next item I told you guys I got was a 2-piece surprise for a discounted rate. I might have to rip this it came in a little cute, one of these cute little containers. So this is the bracelet that came in it. It's very, very cute. It is silver, so that's nice. I have one in gold, one in silver, and I may wear them together in conjunction because I think that would be really pretty. And then I also got these really cute earrings. They look like you can take this off of them if you wanted to. Look at how cute those are. Very, very cute. Definitely my style, so I'm happy about that. And then the last thing that I got was a previous month's item. Previous box item came again in one of these little guys. Focus. There we go. How cute that is. You can probably wear it like this if you wanted to. Or you could probably wear it as a toe ring. And the last thing in here is a necklace and earring set, it looks like. Looks like the earrings are little moons. And then the necklace looks like it's just a circle. Very pretty. It looks kind of rose gold if I'm seeing it correctly, but that's what that looks like. There we go. Very, very pretty. Definitely cannot wait to wear these and try them out and see how well they do. I mean, they look pretty good. So from, you know, just upon initial looking at them. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with everything that I got. Pleasantly surprised. I think that they were a great buy. Called Simple Statement Jewelry, and it says you get 3-piece set of hand-selected minimalist jewelry, all yours to keep. Set subscriptions auto-renew, cancel anytime, 100% satisfaction guarantee, 14-day replacement guarantee, free U.S. shipping, and I wonder why I paid for shipping if it's free shipping. That's a good question. Okay, so boxes go out on the 15th of every month. So my initial box was $14. I don't know why it's saying, maybe in the last few days they raised their prices. I'm not sure because it's saying it's $19.99 now. So I am going to try to find a code for you guys to get your first box free, if possible. So yeah, this is a new subscription, like I said, that I wanted to give a try. I found them on YouTube, Instagram, and I saw their pieces. I thought they were really, really nice, so I wanted to try them out and see. So I will leave all the information down in the description below for you guys if you want to check them out yourself as well. And like I said, I will see if I can find a discount code where you can get your first box free, possibly, or some type of discount on the box. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I just wanted to share with you guys this new subscription that I would try out. If it's any good, so I can let you guys know about it as well. If you are a jewelry lover, then you will love this. If you're not, then you probably won't, because there's no makeup whatsoever. It's just completely jewelry. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for coming and hanging out with me today. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.